Hey everybody, it's Kathy with Create with Kate. Today I'm bringing you my journal of Sherlock Holmes. It's titled 221B, which is for his address, 221B Baker Street. This was inspired by Nik the Booksmith. She did a Sherlock Holmes journal I just thought was really awesome, so I thought I'd give it a whirl and try it. I've used medium weight chipboard for the covers, and the panels are 3 layers of cereal box. Letterbox is 2 layers, and my lock plate is 1 layer. This is just a wooden plug that they use to cover screws in woodworking, and I've got one of Tim Holtz's little brads as a door knocker. I glued my panels onto my book and covered it with fabric, painted over top of it, and there is a layer of Mod Podge on there. The size is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's got a 2 1/4 inch spine. So let's take a look inside. I've got here a pocket back here with a tag and an Ex Libris label. This just folds out. I've got a little notebook in here. I've got a couple of little pieces of ephemera, binoculars, and that just folds up like that. So it's the first signature here. This is mainly a writing journal, so there's not stuff on every page, but I like to do them like that. On here I've got some deposit tickets for his bank, and then I've got this envelope with a receipt in it. And all throughout the book, you're going to see little tags with definitions from the dictionary, all pertaining to things Sherlock Holmes. This one says rancid. What a way to start your book, huh? I could pick a different one. I've got, as you see, a lot of different types of writing paper in here. Got a little flip out here with just some advertisements on it. And got some music paper, some graph paper, ledger paper. I have a definition here. Is speculate. So there's the definition for that there. Over here I've just got a hidden paper clip with a flip out, and it's got his coupon book for his ice. And the definition here is element. Deductive, and this is the middle of my signature. As you see, I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch for this journal. This was really a lot of fun to do, looking up all these things. So I've got a couple journaling cards here, and I've got I don't know what you would call it, a little direction. It says professional remedies up at the top. It tells you how to cure malaria, piles, bronchitis, croup. All the things you needed to know then, I reckon. I don't know. They don't look too good to me, but, well, that's why we live in this time, I guess, huh? So as you can see, we got more music paper. Just got a little cutout there. On this page, I have the word suspect, and I think we have a likely one in here. Yikes. Yeah, he looks like he could be a really likely suspect. I've got a lot of these little coin type envelopes in here throughout the journal with little bits and bobs in them. I like using those. I've got a key, a little bit of stenciling here. Here's another one. And this is a little pocket. There's actually a little file folder. We've got a tag and another envelope. And this has some little tickets in there as well. Over here, I have a belly band. It's the definition of crime, and this was part of the digital kit I got from Nik the Booksmith. And this is the news of the day, of the week. And it's folded up just like a newspaper in here. It's got some really interesting reading in that. And we have Stradivarius here. He was the king of the Strads. Sherlock Holmes loved to play the violin. Over here, this is our second signature. It says, wearing my heart on my sleeve. And the definition up top is specimen. And in here I've got just a little notebook with a little skeleton head here. This is from Artie Mays, actually. So more paper, toxicology, some music paper, spectacles, graph paper, sleuth. Here I have another one of those envelopes, and this one, the definition is eloquence, which he was quite an elegant man. We've got some coupons in here for milk and some more definitions. And again, that just slips right in there. Got a clock face here. Over here I got another one of the file folders. It's titled Possibilities. And in here I got a couple of journaling cards. Middle of this signature. And here we got some more milk tickets, and this is just a hidden paper clip with the clock on top, so you can tuck stuff up in there if you like. This is a pocket that is from Violin Bow Hair packet that actually was my dad's. He played the violin as well, so I made a copy of that and stuck it in here. And the definition here, very fittingly, is violin. Got a tag here and an evidence tag, and they're both able to be journaled on. Have a little envelope here with another hidden paper clip. This one says horror, and this one, when you open it up, is just an extra writing space. Little secret spot. Boy, I'll tell you what, it was cold here this morning. We had frost on the ground. It was just crazy. I'm not ready for winter. It's not my favorite time of year by far. Got a little bit of stenciling here. Some more pages. This is another altered paper clip. And a copy of the London News. And a letter. This tag says perception. We have crime up here. And this says, and you thought I was weird. Here is our third and last signature. I've got a little flip up and his mail that he's expecting there, addressed to him. This is just the faux leather effect I did on a paper bag with a little stopwatch there. And we have another file folder here. This one says mystery. Got a clock face and another tag that's able to be journaled on. Writing paper. The little kid paper. This one's my favorite. It says Baker Street. Come at once, if convenient. If inconvenient, come anyway. Could be dangerous. Very intriguing, huh? And this says postmortem, and there is a dead guy there on the floor. So, and then this is a receipt from a hotel. Over here we have evidence, and I've got a couple more of those little envelopes, and as you can see, we've got definitions in here as well. I did this just using those little stickle things. I thought they turned out kind of cool. Look nice, like it's been bolted to the page there. Okay. More writing space. We got Vengeance up here. Some more music paper. A globe. A bloody thumbprint. Got another envelope over here. And this one says, hold on, I'll tell you. Vagrant. Vagrant. And in here we've got even more definitions and some journaling tags. This is metal objects. I think he was looking for something that might have been the weapon of choice for that suspect we saw earlier in the book. Here I got a pocket. It's a advertisement from Willard's Drugstore for muriatic acid. Got another evidence tag, and then this is all about the skeleton here. So it's certainly information that would be handy for a sleuth like Sherlock Holmes. Up here we got clues. This is Braille paper, and this was from 1974, I believe it was, Reader's Digest. The pages were huge in this book, and it took 4 of them to make one little Reader's Digest edition. I thought it was really neat, so got some of that in there. Here we have a picture of his parlor, and down here we have a definition of suspect. Got another evidence file folder here. We've got some advertisements and a couple of tags that you can journal on. Come on, go in there. There we go. This is another advertisement from the drugstore. This one is formaldehyde. And then in here is a sonnet. He did love his poetry as well. Some more paper. Back here we've got another file folder. It says investigate. We've got another one of those cute little skeleton guys and a journaling tag. This flips up as well. Paper clips go on better if you got them going the right direction, huh? Here we've got definition for punish. Some more journaling space. This is film negatives he was looking at to see if he could figure out who that mysterious person was in the back there. And then I've got a tag of a skeleton describing the head. And that goes in the back of that tag. Got a little flip up here. Some more keys. We have the words modus operandi here. A little more stenciling. Some more music paper. Here we have another one of our envelopes with evidence on it. And in here is a picture of another crime scene. These envelopes are the most girly part of this whole book. I tried to keep it very, very masculine. That's just Tim Holt's tissue paper that's decoupaged on top of a book page there. Got some more writing space. Music for the violin, Dandelion Time. Got a couple more tags here that you can use to journal on. Some more music paper. Got another pocket here. This says suspect. And we've got 2 little envelopes down here with definitions. And we've got 3 more journaling tags. Got the word logical on this page. Embalm is one of our definitions. Got another picture of his sitting room here. And we've got a receipt for his watch repair. And there's another sonnet in there. On the back, the end with a question mark. And then, as I do with all my journals, I do a library card, and it's the 221B Baker Street, and the date I finished it was May 1st. So there you go. I also put a hidden spine in here too. The first time I did that, I thought it turned out quite well. So here we go. I hope you guys like it. I hope you will check back to my channel again, and I hope you might subscribe. And we will talk to you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye.